Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI Redmi Note 11s, and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then click here on the sounds and vibration. Now just to unmute your device ringtone, you should swipe with your finger this volume panel to the right side. And also we got the second way how we can do that, just by using our volume buttons here on the right side of the device. You should press your up or down volume button, that doesn't matter, and then click here on the three dots, and by the same way, by swipe the volume panel to the up, you can also unmute your device ringtone. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.